What'd you say?
Are we going over there?
Where's over there?
It says Ikea.
Yeah, buddy, we're going to Ikea.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Yay!
Ikea kids.
Mama, this lunch.
Yeah, there's lunch in there, yep. Good morning, internet people. Welcome back to the Sustainable Sierra YouTube channel. I'm Sierra.
I'm Mister.
And we also have the little man.
Hi.
And today is a very exciting day. Why are we happy today? Where are we going?
To the Ikea.
To the Ikea?
Shopping.
Yeah, that's right. So as the little man just told you, we're going to Ikea today. Actually, we're already at Ikea. We're in the parking. Yes?
This park.
Yep, that's right. We're in the parking. As you can see, we're in the parking area because I didn't film on the way here because I forgot to this morning before I left the house, and the road, as usual, is always bumpy. But every single year, one of my favorite things to do around the Christmas time is to come and see the Ikea Christmas displays, because I like them because, of course, they always have new stuff, but also I really like that they tend to use a lot of their traditional home decor in the Christmas, so you can kind of get ideas to how to use your regular stuff you already have in your house to make it Christmassy. They do it with a lot of red, but I still think it's really cool. But yeah, we're gonna get in and check it out. And it's a little early for Christmas this year, but they do have it in stores. I checked online last night, but by the time I edit this video and put it up for you, it'll be time to decorate for Christmas. So we're gonna get out of the car, we're gonna do some Ikea shopping, get some lunch, and we'll see you guys inside. Hey guys, so we're inside now, and we already have our first set of Christmas displays. There's a little one up in the front actually, but I didn't take video of that because there were like 20 people rushing it in behind me. The first one is this lovely kitchen. Has a little star on top and the tree, and I'm just so excited. So I mean, it's like the way they decorate is like just enough without being too much. Kind of want to get some of those for our house this year. I don't know, we'll see. Christmas time. Aww. They made a little wrapping station. I love the wrapping paper this year that came out. I think I'm gonna get some of that one for sure. And it's not really just Christmassy, it's just kind of wintry. See, I see a lot of things like this. It's such a good idea because we have so many baubles just hanging out in our house that we never use for anything. And yeah, so again, like the little Christmas things, and all of a sudden the entire room is Christmassy, which I like. It's so pretty. I'm gonna make a Christmas cake like that and use those serviettes. Table decorating goals. Y'all know I love Ikea, but one of the things I don't love about their collections is I feel like their Christmas trees always just look, I don't know, kind of sparse. I get that they're affordable, but like, I mean, the big one is kind of okay. It's not so bad. But when you look at like their shorter ones, I mean, if that's what you're going for, the Charlie Brown theme, fine. But I don't know, they look very much like the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. You guys know what I mean. Oh, it's cute. It's like a little paper Christmas village. It's actually really fun. That would be fun for kids to do. Okay, so once again, absolutely brilliant idea. So in this scene, they've literally just like went out into the forest and gotten a stick, suspended it from the ceiling, and then hung a bunch of like lights and like baubles on it, and it looks incredible. Maybe I can do this. I can figure out how to suspend wood from our ceiling. And then here, they've literally just added 2 little Christmas trees and a green towel, and suddenly it's Christmas. You know, it's interesting. I've never once thought, oh, maybe I should decorate my bedroom for Christmas, yet I look at places or like displays like this and I think, why am I not decorating my bedroom for Christmas? What is it? hot chocolate in the drink.
Yeah.
Did you taste it? No?
Chocolate. Taste it.
I should taste it. I don't know if I can taste it. I think that's fake food.
What is it?
It's a bedroom all ready for Christmas.
Like
Yeah. You can play in the room. There is a present on the broom, huh? It's good? Yeah, it is pretty good. So is this one right next to it, too. Woo, look at you. Me, right there. Woo. I'm not supposed to jump on the couch. Jumping on the couch is frowned upon. They love all these little houses and stuff. Just so cute. I like the candles as well. You see something, probably a light bulb. Balloons?
Yeah.
Apparently, this is supposed to be a Santa hat. I don't know. I think it looks like they're not really trying with that one. It's not even like soft. It's just like t-shirt material. Oh, baby. Now that's my section. Magic.